Strapi versus Drupal CMS. That is what I cover in this live stream. And I'll go through the process of installing Strapi locally using the LaunchPad repo, which gives you a front end, because Strapi is a headless CMS built in TypeScript. So it works a little differently than Drupal. But in this live stream, I'll show you how to install LaunchPad, which is a repo which gives you a Next.js front end. And we go through the process of managing content through the backend and creating our own collection type. So we start things off by setting up LaunchPad, and this is pretty much what you get. This is the front end. It actually looks pretty nice. And this is all Next.js, and it integrates through the REST API into Strapi. And here you can see one of the test articles that we created. Then we go through the process of learning a bit about the backend and how it's similar to Drupal CMS. You can see it's got a bit of a gin vibe to it, similar look and feel. You can manage your content from the content manager area. You can click on all the different collection types. Now, content is stored a little differently in Strapi. You have this concept of collection types. Essentially, that's kind of like just content types, and that's it. And you can also attach custom fields to them. And then you have single types, which you can think of as configuration, but it's still stored in the database. It's not like it's any type of config YAML file. So often you will have a single type for major pages, such as blog, products, and then you have global, which allows you to control menus and links and things like that. Then you can also manage media as well from here. And the good thing is you can create folders, because that's a question I get a lot. How do you create folders in Drupal with your media? So with Strapi, you can do it. Then you have the content type builder. This is where you define your actual collection types and your single types, as well as your components. And you can think of components as paragraphs, really. And then you can go here and create all of your fields. And the UI is very similar. You select your field type and you apply a name to it, and you are then good to go. Then we went and created our own collection type called projects, which has title, details, a slug, and also a dynamic zone. And then on the front end, we actually added in a bit of custom code. And if we go into projects, we can see our custom project, and we also have a details page. And if I jump into the code and go to projects, we can see here our page.tsx for projects and the individual one for the details page. Then for the last half hour, I decided to do a bit of AI development. So we go through the process of setting up the MCP server. So if I search for MCP, I'll find the documentation. And by the way, the Strapi documentation is pretty good because it's got this ask your question. So if we go to the docs page, setting up a MCP is available. You don't have to pay for it. You don't have to be on a specific plan for it, because Strapi does have an open source as well as plans, which gives you more features. But setting up an MCP server to use with Claude Code is relatively simple. You just need to enable it and then define a admin key, and you are good to go. And we go through the process of creating a custom index page for our blog collection. Now, you cannot create your collections and fields through the MCP server. You can only create content. So you have to still create that manually. So what I did is I went through the process of creating the blog collection type by hand, and then I just took a screenshot of the fields and I gave Claude a nice big prompt. Then he went ahead and created the index page and the actual details page for the blog, but we call it news. And if we take a look at it and go to /news, you can see that it automatically just created these cards. And if we click on one of these card items, it takes us to the actual details page. So if you want to learn all about this, then check out the stream Strapi versus Drupal CMS. Install, build, and compare. And if you have any questions or you want any other specific topics around Strapi covered, let me know in the comments.